Hi, Ben here. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add swing to your tracks in FL Studio. When I refer to swing, or the amount of swing, I basically mean the amount we push every other 16th note. This is swing. As you can see, it's fairly easy to do manually, but there's an even easier method we can use to add swing to our tracks. In our channel rack, we have a main swing knob. This pushes every other 16th note on every instrument and sample in our channel rack, making it easy to hear how much swing works best for our track. Bonus tip: if you like to work with audio and want to apply swing to your track, I recommend making a swing grid. Set the main swing to your desired amount and type in 16th notes in the piano roll of a percussive element. Then we just consolidate it. And there we go. This way we can make sure that our swing rhythm is consistent through all instruments in the entire track. If you have any questions or if something wasn't clear, you can leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. Like and subscribe for more FL Studio tutorials, and don't forget to click the bell button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any new content.